Creating a Reddit community, also known as Subreddit, is a fun way to bring people together around a specific topic or interest. And here's how you can create one. First of all, you need to launch the Reddit application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Once you're in the app, tap on the profile picture icon in the top right. Then you will see the option of create a community that is between profile and contributor program. Tap on create a community. Here you will get two different sections. You need to enter a valid community name in the first field. Make sure that you set a unique community name and it must be between 3 to 21 characters and you need to follow the Reddit's naming guidelines. Now write a brief description of your subreddit. This will show up in the sidebar and help users understand the purpose of the community. Now click on next in the top right. You can also add a banner or avatar if you like. Again, tap on next in the top. Choose community topics. You can select up to 3 topics and then click on next again. Now select a community type. Click on next again. And after filling out the form and customizing your subreddit will be now live. Now share your community link with friends or on relevant subreddits to attract members. Keep your community active by posting content and engaging with your followers. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.